Beautiful people, we're on the beautiful island of Rockport again, guys. As you can see, they're on a solo, well, like we just say solo, but a more of a survival type of video or settings. You understand? Don't know colors and climate, then go do them diving. You see me, and they don't know me, Ratty and Josh. There, I go on with a vibe, and you don't know Josh I show him line. You see me, so. My adventure for the day, while everybody do them thing, I plan to finish what I started. Take on the journey for up on the top of Rockport because I never did go to the extreme top, guys. As you all know, I was not feeling well on my first trip here. Yeah, it's but you don't know. Fully recovered right now. Take the boat ride again. I never know somebody go back on a boat again, people. But yeah, man, I not lie. I want to see if I can find a iguana. You see me? That's the plan for today. Yeah, man, so you don't know, guys, it's a beautiful day. You understand? We are there for the whole day. We're actually there from morning. You see me? Maybe I throw some line and I see Josh catch a fish and he kind of boots me up to do my thing too. You see me? But you don't know fishing on my thing, guys. Yeah, man, get a couple bites, but nah, like, I'm like, say, I feed them. You understand? So, you don't know the thing, go. We're there. I do the right thing. You see me? Right today I show him line. Yeah, man, guys, so as I say, I take on the journey. See it here? Yeah, man, see if we can find a iguana. I don't know when I find him, I don't know what I'm going to do. But stay tuned and watch what I go on. Here, now like the water nice and cool. You understand? If I swim, guys, move there, I say, no more there out there, so I swear, you don't know. That is it, man. So yeah, see if we can take on the journey now and do the right thing. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yeah, see if we can find anything up the way. Any plant or resemble anything back in Jamaica. You understand? As I say, my first trip coming up here, never really feel tree well. The man never throw them line and thing in people. I try my best to make that video different from the one that I actually did. First, guys, color them there somewhere in the water here, so. Yeah, guys, so you don't know. That is it, you know. So I take on the journey now. Yeah, man. Yo, man, I like from the angle here. You look well horrified, like you look so scary, guys. But not lie, I think everybody feel really come to St. Vincent and visit over here, so over here have a nice vibes. Trust me. When Color say my father over come cook, me did I say up I top my cook the food. So see the people. So far, that's what I've covered. You know, hear me I breathe hard. But here what? Just take in the view, guys, and tell me if in the comment section if you want to do this. The last phone we use and record, the quality never as somebody want. Alright? This is a highland by itself, you know, guys. Yeah, man. St. Vincent have a whole heap of small island. I like the island here. They have their own private beach. Alright, gone again. Yeah, guys. So far, we not see nothing resemble nothing in Jamaica. So if you're stuck on the island here, I want some tea. Dog, me and my supper. See it here? Reach a scary party again, the peeps. Look over me head. It's crazy, yo. Alright, gone again. That Ben Benjamin, Jack, something another. Counteractor. I don't know. People them forward and carve in them initials and them name. Alright, so we'll stop it for a second. Make you see what I go on. See campsite there. See man them there. Done again. Roy Thomas. 1969. Long before my born. Alright. We're going higher, guys. Alright. I'll take a break just for a second. See a lizard. Right there. We just go and easy, but I don't know. Up here different, guys. Once we reach a certain altitude, the breeze up here it's a lot denser. I don't know how to explain it, but the breeze up here, atmosphere, it change. You see me? So you have to breathe hard. You see me? But we are going easy back still. We have probably a couple more steps to go up till we reach the extreme top. You don't know. We never did do that one when we were here the last time. You see me? So today is the perfect opportunity. You don't know. We're there. Our little survival video. Yeah, man. Trust me, guys. It's amazing, man. I lie. The trip to St. Vincent. Trust me. Let me just break it down. Like when I was just traveling, I think the day before. Don't know, after the ticket book and everything, I was perfectly fine, guys. And then after, we did start feel sick, but I don't know. Never did I pay that no mind. Take up my pill and guys, cause at first me a sick in a 2024. First time being sick in 2024 like this. You see me? So, you know, when we reach over Colors the night before the departure, trust me, guys, it was I felt okay. You understand? When I start feel really sick, I went through, I never sleep throughout the night, none at all. Excited, nervous. You understand? So when it touched the morning time and when you get up 4 o'clock, I was start pack up the stuff them for head out because the car did reach for Carrigo at the airport. Trust me, guys, at that point, I start feel nauseous. You understand? I don't pay it no mind, and I say probably I just a little, you know, flu. But me, as I said, I did don't take my pill them and every little thing. Guys, I tell you, say, yo, when we reach at the airport and for board the flight, trust me, guys, the video when I see my post walking through the airport are the best of me, guys. Like, I put my best forward because I felt so sick. I'm not gonna lie. And the sickness of my experience was like headache mainly. You understand? But you don't know. So we're out there without fear and we had to do the right thing. Take up my pill them, drink up my tea, and trust me, guys, the flight, first time flying plus feeling how I felt, trust me, it was something else. Now like when the plane really when I get for understand say, yo bro, you're in a plane. At then time the reality really licked me. I said, Jano, guys, so many things ran through my mind. And I say, oh Jano, I start feel like a cold sweat start washing. But them things they're natural, cause you don't know first time doing something, you know, just I mean some people different still. But you know, I always dream to take the plane and to see it come to reality. Guys, I tell you the truth. It's like at one point I still think it's not real. But when the plane start lift up and I feel the turbulence and the shakiness and I said, Jano, yo, this is real, yo. When I land at Barbados, at then time I start say, yo, Jano, start feeling excitement. You don't know the sickness still that lick me. You understand? And trust me, I had an episode in Barbados. Wish not to speak about in this video still, but you don't know. Big up to Color Smith. You understand? The man them really go all out with me, yo. Trust me, guys. And for all of the comments them, I say, yo, if you know say you're sick and you travel, remember, me never really know me would get sick to be, but me know me I come down with something, but in my head, me I say probably I just little flu and call it a day. You see me, because as I said, this is the first time I experience this in 2024. If me catch a little flu, just for one day, I'm good again. You understand? Yeah, man, but trust me, guys. But the greatest part about it, no one on the team got what I had. You understand? God is so good. Everybody, me did isolate myself. You understand? And nobody no get sick. Trust me, I'm grateful for that. You understand? I never slope the team in no way, shape or form. I try to pull throughout every scenario, everywhere them I go. I tell you, the only time I never really get for go nowhere. And no, so I go everywhere with them. Yeah, man, I go everywhere, man. Everywhere I could have get for go, I go. You understand? The last time I come out, I feel horrible when I come on the first time I come to Rockfort. You understand? Trust me, guys. And when we go over Vince's side, and I did swimming, I never catch the part of me swimming in water, but yeah, man, that they really feel bad during that time. But for me there now, a subscriber reached out. Not really reached out to Colors, yeah. One of his subscribers. She watched the video. And you don't know. And this is something I really wanted. I wanted some honey and some lime, and big up to the subscriber who get me this. Cause trust me, yo, really need it. You see me? And since I take it, I start feel better. So you know, so tonight when the time get cold and all the coughing come up on me, so you know, so me just yeah, man, cause I don't take the cough syrup, you know, guys. And I know, say if I did that at Jamaica, I take me that, get some cough syrup and would have good again, 100. But that's the cough, guys. You understand? But you don't know me no really. Now make that hole in my dung. You see me, so? I take on back the journey now. There so for quite some time. You see me? We have a long way to go. So just stay tuned and watch. Alright, guys, we're gone again. As I say, yo, the atmosphere is a lot denser up here. You understand? So you don't know. If you hear me I breathe hard, just know say yo I the breeze. Me have to breathe heavy. Yeah, man. But you don't know, part of the journey up here I want to find at least even see an iguana. Yeah, man. You know, if it's possible still. See a nice little crab here. In claw purple, guys. So one more here. Yeah, man. Oh, this Trevor Richards, Samuel Paris. We can't make out the next name then. But I hope for people come up and carve out their name, guys. Then people have some good handwriting, man. Watch it. Alfonso Wilson, 1969. Yo, welcome to the visitors. Alright, so guys, we are go up this side. You don't know where I carve out. We can get a stone, we can carve out. Issa, take your time now, joke. Yeah, man. See it, guys. Soon reach it up, you know. And a crab there. Alright. Alright guys. Never want to talk too loud. Reach the top. And then can I take a breath first before I check them out. I swear, I'm tired. Alright, so I go just walk around. I'm making the see what I go on. You understand? So, oh, this feels so good. I could have sleep up here, so I swear, but I need food. Alright, so guys, over here, so I have one shed. You understand? So I don't know when the visitors then come, then could probably set up a little fire about the place and just have right stuff for them meet and greet. You see me? Yeah man. Structure them nice and firm same way. Even though the seat pop down. Yeah man, trust me guys. Yeah man. Have a nice little window right here, so you can overlook the whole island. You don't know over there, so we have a couple more islands as well. But the structure, I like it built recently, because as you can see, the material what them have, you know, they may never the back in the days. You don't know. The people then come then carve out them initials. Yeah man. So I say I can find a piece of charcoal, which I should have travel with. Man, so we have carve out, you don't know. Issa. So I write also. Hold on. Beard me handwriting no people. See it there? Issa. You don't know, as time progresses this a go really, you know, be a part of the furniture. EEHSAH. Issa, take your time, no joke. So let's look at the cannon now, peeps. This is what made me really come up with for stills. Alright, so wow. I don't know how they may come up here, so you can see them have all the royal seal upon them. They may have some normal cannon and they may have some royal cannon, no guys. Yeah man. Royal cannon. Whole heap of war wounds. If me have something with a mark, something on it. Yeah man. That is it, so I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Yo, man, I lie, this is so crazy, guys. One time I go to Port Royal, and when I saw the cannons, trust me, you give me a vibe, it's a shame. Yeah, man, so them have the Royal Cannon, because them have some Royal crown, and it's have an arrow right here, so I guess them tell us, yo, I don't know, point that way there, but see it here, it have the crown and everything, so for all the historians in the comment section, you guys will know, I smell mint. Hold on there. You know this, smell mint a while ago. So one more, yeah? Yeah, man, so all historians, if you don't know any history about them cannon, you can leave the comment in the comment section, guys. You don't know, I'm willing to learn, you know. But yeah, guys, you don't know, come back down here now. I've seen enough. I have a small cannon right, so I don't know what I want for. Yo, man, I like, this is amazing. Our light pole, I guess they had solar powered stuff up here, so. But when I walk past down this, all gonna smell mint. Yeah, man. So there you have it, guys. The cannon them overlook the whole island. So I guess this was a point where the pirates them used to come and gather and defend them country from the enemy. Yo, that must have been crazy, guys. Yeah, man, but just the view alone. But also when the ship them are coming in, and I don't know how they used to aim with them something here. But that must have been crazy how to get an accurate aim. Fire in the hole! Yo, and the whole man them just line up right so with them whatever. Okay, so crazy, yo. Alright, so guys, I don't know, we are head back down. Yeah, man. So I actually completed what I've started. Nobody come up to the top. No people. The sun hot up here, so we take a look at time, you know. Head back down. Wanted to see if there was any iguanas. So at first, me try to be quiet as possible. You don't know them thing they really like the bag of sound. So while approaching the top, me try to be as quiet. But I haven't sight any as yet. You don't know the thing go. Stay tuned, watch what go on. We're not gonna really get too much of the recording on the island because you don't know. We have a survival video we are do. Yeah, man, so I really want to complete this hike, guys. So like up the video. You don't know, One Knife Ninja in a St. Vincent. Yeah, man, One Color Smith TV, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So I'll link up back with the team, you know, and see if we can just do the right thing. You see me? Yeah, man, that is it. So stay tuned, watch what I go on. I'm showing the journey going down. You don't know, the music I played throughout the part. You see me? That is it. Don't know reach back on the ground. Understand? So the rest is history, guys. So we are check back in, but me will check back in once we reach back on location. So I finally complete the hike on Rockfort. Yeah man, so love you guys staying with me throughout the whole video. Yeah man, so you don't know, I'm going easy back until Colors and climb a forward back with them catch of the day. So you don't know, I'm going to eat some food and I kind of get hungry. So that is it. Stay tuned for the next vlog. You don't know, Knife Ninja in St. Vincent and the Grenadines with the team. We have a lot more adventure coming up, guys. Yeah man. So for now, I'm going to soak my foot in the salt water, because I throw some line and I almost catch a fish, but you don't know the rest of the man, them there, them determined. Them there catch fish. Yeah man. But fishing is my thing. Yes, I'm rather walk up and down and, you know, sightseeing. I could have swim with that in the water. Yeah man, so again, big up to the subscriber who reached out and gave me the ginger, the onion lime sweetie. Trust me, I really needed it. And it made a huge difference. Trust me guys, so that is it, you know, people. One love, one Colorsmith TV, and one Knife Ninja Select. So stay tuned and watch what I go on.